Hello， 大家好 ，This is 小狗 Chinese. Learning from 0 to 9 is probably the must-go-through path for most of you guys in crash courses. Then you will be introduced to 11 to 19, followed by 20 to 100, and then to the thousands. However, you might have noticed that starting from 10,000, aka 一万, things are getting out of control, as there's no 100% accurate English equivalence of 1. Don't cringe. I'm glad you clicked this video, as you'll be able to shuttle back and forth in those big numbers within a short time. Now keep watching and get ready to take some notes. Heads up, if you don't know 0 to 100 yet, go back and learn before watching this. Alright, now let's start from 100. We know that 100, 100, 1,000, 1,000. 10,000 is not 10,000, but 一万. Tricky thing starts here. 1 doesn't perfectly match a word in English. So try this. Take 1 as 4 zeros. That being said, when you see a big number, cross out 4 zeros and put 1. You'll be able to read it pretty fast. For example, 5万 18万 72万 321万 Now your turn. Can you read these numbers? Not bad, right? This works vice versa. 73万 Remove 1 and then put 4 zeros. And then we get this number. 20万 5万 Now your turn. Grab a pen and write them down. Not bad, right? Hey, what about this? 19999, still the same. Remove the last 4 digits and put 1. We get 一万. And then just read the 9,999 regularly. 9,999. In this way, we get 19,999. And this one? 53,999. This one? 10,023. Now it's your turn.你学会了吗？